Welcome today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open Play Store application, and here in search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and here we can see information about health of our battery. If that's good on my case. Also we can find here more information like the level of battery, temperature, capacity, model, Android version, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.